Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Wanyeki. Welcome to my channel, your go-to destination for all things coding. In today's guide, I will walk you through the process of installing Python on Windows 11. The first thing you need to do is download Python from the official website. Open your browser and go to python.org. Click on the Downloads tab and you'll see the latest version of Python. As of recording, it might be Python 3.12.1 or a newer version. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. The file name should be something like python3.exe. Double-click on the file to run the installer. The installer will prompt you to customize the installation. You can choose to add Python to the system path, which makes it easier to run Python from the command line. If you're a beginner, it's recommended to check the box that says Add Python to Path. Click Install Now to proceed. A pop-up window will appear and click on Yes. The installer will now install Python on your computer. This may take a few minutes, so just relax and wait. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a screen that says Setup was successful. Congratulations, you've installed Python. To make sure Python is installed correctly, open your command prompt by clicking on Windows, then you'll see command prompt. Double click on it. After that, just type in Python and hit enter. After that, you'll see the latest version of Python that has been installed in your machine. That's it, and happy coding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next video.